Hi everyone! So in this video I will be showing you how to install the heatsink to the Tritium board which I have here, and also I'm going to show you how to install the active cooling case that I have here. Wait a second. I'll be showing how to install the active cooling case as well. So first, this is the heatsink. It comes with a thermal pad over here. So you must first take out the tape to install it carefully. Carefully take out the sticker over here, the protecting. Yeah, there. So now you want to put it in this orientation, so it will pass through this hole and then through this other hole. So very carefully you're going to place it here and press a little, not too hard, but press a little. And now you're going to press this as well down there. You can see that it came to the other side, and now for the other one we have to do the same. We'll have to push it. There it is. And now we have the heatsink installed. For the next step, you see that it is a little open because I was experimenting with it, but you see that it has this marks over here. You just press it and the case will open. Now, so the board will go in this orientation, something like this. So you are going to carefully install it here. There we go. You can see we have the audio jack, HDMI, micro USB, and all of the other ports, and you have access to the micro SD card over here. Oh, and also be sure to install the eMNC module if it came with it. As you can see, I installed it already. So yeah, again, to install it, it goes like this. Here it is. And now, before putting the other part and installing the fan, you're going to put the screws here to seal it. So yeah, we're going to use a screwdriver. We're going to use a screwdriver that I have here, and I'm going to start passing the screws there. So well, this one just didn't work, but I believe it's for that is another screw. There was a larger screw, so maybe that's the one that goes there. It might give you some issues. Yeah. Oh, I see. The problem is that the screw came out like to the sides. Taking. Oh yeah. So the other screw. The other screw. Let's install this as well. Alright, so yeah. The third one. I'm enjoying installing this. And now, if I can find the other screw which was a little larger, I will be able to install it. Actually, I'm not missing any screw because this will be installed, so yeah. Now the next step is to install the cable, the fan cable. So according to this, we have the tritium board in the same correct orientation, red wire on pin 2 for maximum performance, or pin 1 for quiet operation. So let me put this again, and the black wire goes on pin 6. So I'm going to install it into performance mode, which means that the red wire should go on pin 6, which according to that diagram it's this one over here, and the red one goes, and the black one goes on pin 6, which according to that diagram is this one. So now that we have it placed, we have to we spin it like this, and we connect it, we close it, and this way we have the fan installed, we have the heatsink, all of that, the components, and we can proceed to install the final screw. And this one goes here on this hole that we see here. And now we proceed to install this. Alright, so now we have the Tritium board inside the active cooling case and all of that. All we just need to do is install an operating system into it and just plug it in and use it. So yeah, there we have it. This is the Tritium board, 2GB edition, Libre computer board, Tritium board, from Kickstarter. This was my pledge, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.